Hey guys, Scott here from Red Rock Maintenance. So I have a job to do today, putting some Christmas lights up. I was going to take our car because my other truck the truck's in the shop still, and now this car won't start. So I'm going to have to take the blue truck. I hate taking that truck, I don't really like it, and it's got the cap on it, so it's kind of hard to get the ladders in there and strap the ladders in, but I'm going to get this truck ready and grab the ladders and put them in there. Hopefully we can get them in. Hopefully this job doesn't take us too long. I think it'd probably be like an hour and a half. It's a pretty easy job. I think I haven't done it before, but we'll see what happens. And there's frost on the window this morning again. I'm hoping that the frost disappears so we can get out and do some more cleanups. Okay, so we got them started already. Got this line going up there. Look at the next part. Put that one right on the corner here. Yeah, then I can reach around. Okay, so we've got this white clip here. Clip it on like that. The light just pops into the little thing like that, and bam, they're done.
Let's go. Let's go.
So guys, we're back home from doing that Christmas light install. So if you've never done that before, it's actually pretty easy. If you have some time between your seasons, between winter and fall, fall and winter, then you could try and get some Christmas lights to put up. Let me know in the comments how much you would charge for that. I charge quite a bit for that because it's kind of a specialty item and it's snow on the ground, a bit harder to do. So yeah guys, if you haven't done so already, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.